Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about Bosch washing machine not spinning clothes dry, what to do. Are you having trouble that your Bosch washing machine is not spinning clothes to dry? Just follow these easy steps. 1. Ensure the machine is level and the load is evenly distributed. If the load is uneven or the machine is not level, it can affect the spin cycle efficiency and result in damp clothes. 2. Check the cycle settings to ensure the appropriate spin speed is selected for the wash load. Some cycles like delicate or hand wash use slower spin speed to prevent damage to fragile fabrics, which may not remove enough water from the clothes. 3. Inspect the drain hose for kinks or clogs, as a blockage can inhibit the water's ability to remove water and spin efficiently. 4. Examine the drive belt for signs of wear or damage, as a stretched, loose or broken belt can prevent the drum from spinning. 5. If the washer rope is faulty or damaged, it may not signal the start of the spin cycle, leaving the clothes wet. If these steps do not resolve the issue, it's advised that you contact professional for help. You can find the Bosch customer service number on their website.